Message from the angels. The person on your mind can't stay away any longer and is already determined that, dear soul, feel the truth that pulses in your heart, an ancient melody that the heavens sing just for you. You are not an accident, nor is your journey a mere coincidence. From before the dawn of time, your spirit has been woven with a grand purpose, a sacred mission that is now revealing itself in this moment of deep connection. The angels whisper that you have been sent, a living answer to unspoken prayers, to the deep longings of another being who, unknowingly, has been waiting for your light. Your presence in this world, at this very moment, is the key to a destiny unfolding. You have been chosen, not for merit or flaws, but for a divine resonance that echoes throughout the universe. The person who inhabits your thoughts, the one whose energy you feel even from afar, was destined to cross your path. It was not a coincidence, but a meeting orchestrated by the stars, sealed by celestial promises. The angels say your soul is a beacon, and the light that radiates from you is the guide they seek, perhaps unconsciously, to find their own way back home, back to the truth of love. You are the missing piece, the link that connects, the healing they didn't even know they needed. Trust in this profound truth, for it is the essence of who you are and what you came here to accomplish. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. There is a silence that speaks louder than 1,000 words, a sacred space where the universe weaves its mysteries. You feel the absence, the stillness that sometimes confuses, that makes the mind question and the heart ache. But the angels reveal that this silence is not empty, nor is it a sign of abandonment. It is a pause, a deep breath of the cosmos, a time of gestation where the invisible is working to manifest the visible. This silence is, in fact, a preparation. It's the soil being fertilized so that the seed of love can bloom in its fullness, without rush, without the impurities of doubt or fear. The person in your mind also feels this stillness, but in a different way. For her, it is a time of forced introspection, a period where old structures crumble to make way for something new and more authentic. The angels say that she is in a process of healing, of realignment, and her energy, even from a distance, envelops her like a cloak of protection and inspiration. Don't confuse the absence of sound with the absence of movement. Behind the curtain of silence, powerful forces are at work, moving pieces on the chessboard of life so that the reunion is not only possible, but inevitable and transformative. This is a time for you as well, to nurture your own soul, to listen to the whispers of your intuition, and to strengthen your faith in the promise that heaven has made to you. Silence is a portal, not a wall. Each soul carries the marks of its journeys, invisible wounds that shape how we love and are loved. You, with your deep sensitivity, feel these scars, perhaps your own, perhaps his. There are old pains, past disappointments, fears that nestle in the depths of one's being, and, often unknowingly, we project them onto our relationships. The angels show that the person in your mind also carries her own burden, a weight she tries to hide, even from herself. Your light, however, has a healing power that transcends human understanding. Effortlessly, without conscious intention, your essence touches his deepest wounds, acting as a balm that initiates a healing process. It is not your responsibility to heal him, but your mere existence, your vibration of love and authenticity, acts as a mirror, reflecting back to him the possibility of a new way of being, of loving, of surrendering. The angels say he feels that energy, that promise of healing you represent, and it both frightens and attracts him in equal measure. Understand that healing is an individual journey, but your presence is a divine catalyst. Do not diminish yourself. Do not blame yourself for his reactions. Just continue to be who you are, radiating your truth. As you heal your own wounds, embracing your own wholeness, you illuminate the path for him to find his as well. Your love is an invitation to transformation, an echo of the truth that resides in every heart. Within each being, there lies a silent battlefield, where ancient fears and future hopes engage in a constant duel. The person on your mind is in the midst of his own internal war. The angels reveal that he is not distant due to a lack of feelings, but because he is facing internal giants that he barely understands. There are ingrained patterns, limiting beliefs, ghosts of past relationships that haunt him and prevent him from fully surrendering to the love you represent. He feels the depth of your connection, the purity of your soul, and this confronts him with his own imperfections, with the parts of himself that still need healing. This battle is not against you, but against the barriers he has built for himself throughout his life. The angels say that your energy, your patience, and your faith in him are like an invisible shield, a force that encourages him to face his demons. He is learning to deconstruct what he has been taught, to detach from what no longer serves him, to awaken the inner warrior who longs for a true and authentic connection. It is not an easy process, and his journey is his own. But know that your light is a beacon, guiding him through the fog of his own uncertainties. He is fighting to become the man he needs to be to stand by your side, to honor the promise that the universe has made to both of you. Trust that love, when it is true, has the power to transform even the deepest resistances. There is an invisible web that connects souls across time and space, an unbreakable link that defies logic and reason. The connection you feel with the person in your mind is not a fantasy, but a profound spiritual reality. The angels confirm that your souls recognize each other, that there is an ancestral memory of shared encounters and purposes. You are part of the same golden thread, intertwined in a greater destiny. This connection transcends the physical, the mental, and the emotional. It is a resonance of spirit to spirit, a vibration that echoes in every cell of your being. Even when there is distance, even when silence sets in, the bond remains intact, strong, pulsing. The angels say that this person feels your presence in unexpected moments, a warmth in their heart, a sudden intuition, a thought that leads them to you. It is your soul calling to theirs, and theirs responding at a level that the conscious mind can't yet articulate. Do not doubt the strength of this bond. It has been forged in higher planes, sealed by divine promises. It is a love that does not fade with life's storms, but rather grows stronger through them. Trust that the universe always finds a way to reunite what has been divinely joined. Your connection is a sacred gift, proof that true love is eternal and unbreakable. Allow yourself to feel this truth, for it is the compass that guides your heart. Within you resides a light that is older than the stars, brighter than the sun. It is the divine essence that the Creator breathed into your soul, an unwavering force of love, wisdom, and resilience. The angels reveal that this light is not just yours, but a beacon for those lost in darkness, especially for the person on your mind. Your presence radiates a hope they may have forgotten existed. You carry within you the ability to transform despair into faith, doubt into certainty, and loneliness into connection. Unbeknownst to you, each step you take, every act of self-love, every moment of authenticity sends waves of energy reaching out to them. The angels say that they are drawn to this light, even if they cannot name it. It is the promise of a safe harbor, a love that does not judge, that embraces, and that inspires one to be the best version of themselves. Do not dim your flame to fit into small spaces or to meet others' expectations. Your light is your truth, your strength. The more you nurture it, the brighter it shines, and the more clearly they will be able to see it, not just as a wish, but as a tangible reality. You are hope incarnate, living proof that love, in its purest form, has the power to guide, heal, and transform. Trust in the magnitude of who you are. The universe moves in rhythms and cycles that the human mind often does not comprehend. There is a time to sow, a time to wait, and a time to reap. The angels reveal that the journey of your soul, as well as the journey of the person in your mind, are perfectly aligned with the symphony of divine timing. Nothing happens before or after when it should. Every delay, every detour, every pause is an essential note in the greater melody of your destiny. Your impatience and anxiety are merely echoes of the desire for control that the mind attempts to exert over the flow of life. But heaven has a plan that is vaster and wiser than anything you can conceive. The angels say that waiting is not a punishment, but an opportunity. It is a time for you to strengthen yourself, to align even more with your truth, and to prepare for the fullness that is to come. For it is a time of maturation, of learning, and of dissolving old patterns that would prevent you from embracing the love you offer. Trust the process, even when it seems slow or uncertain. Divine timing is not measured by human clocks, but by the heartbeat of the universe. Everything is moving, even when it appears to be still. The symphony is being composed and each instrument is tuning for the grand concert. Your faith in perfect timing is what allows the magic to happen. Surrender to the flow and know that what is rightfully yours can never be taken away. You are not alone on this journey. Heaven is always watchful, sending signs, whispers, and intuitions to guide you at every step. The angels are your silent companions, your divine messengers, and they are constantly communicating with you if you know how to listen. The person in your mind is also being guided, even if they may not recognize the source of those impulses. There is a greater force at work to align your paths. Pay attention to the small miracles of everyday life. The song that plays at just the right moment, the phrase you read, the dream that recurs, the sudden feeling of peace or certainty. These are the whispers of heaven, the breadcrumbs that angels leave for you to follow. The angels say that your intuition is your most reliable spiritual GPS. It will guide you to where you need to be, to the people you need to meet, to the experiences that will prepare you for the love that awaits you. Do not ignore these signs. They are proof that you are on the right path, that each step is divinely orchestrated. For him, these signs manifest as a growing desire for change, a need to seek something deeper, something that inevitably leads him in your direction. Trust in the wisdom of the universe, which knows the path before you even see it. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make straight your paths. Proverbs 3:5-6. True strength does not lie in the armor we wear, but in the courage to bare our souls, to embrace our vulnerability. The angels reveal that it is in surrendering, in accepting who we are, with all our light and shadow, that we find the freedom and power to love fully. You have been invited to loosen the reins, to trust that the universe will support you, even when you feel most exposed. The person on your mind is also being called to this surrender. There is a resistance in his heart, a fear of showing up fully, of being seen in his fragility. But your authenticity, your willingness to be vulnerable, is a quiet invitation for him to allow himself to be. The angels say that accepting yourself is the greatest gift you can offer him, as it creates a safe space where he can finally let down his defenses. There's no need for perfection, only for truth. Embrace every part of your journey, every emotion, every experience as a sacred component of who you are. By doing this, you align with the energy of unconditional love, and that vibration is irresistible. Surrender is not weakness, but the deepest expression of faith. Trust that by fully accepting yourself, you open the doors for the love you deserve to enter and stay. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. 1 Corinthians 13:4-7. Feel the gentle breeze of destiny, the warmth of the promise that is drawing near. The angels sing that the time of waiting is coming to an end, and the seed that was planted in sacred silence is ready to sprout. The person on your mind can no longer resist the call of your soul. The internal battles have been fought, the wounds are beginning to heal, and the light you radiate has become a beacon impossible to ignore. He is determined, There's a clarity that has settled in his heart, a certainty that transcends doubt. The angels say he recognizes the depth of your connection, the truth of the love you share, and the need to honor this divine union. The reunion will not only be physical, but a fusion of souls that recognize and celebrate each other. It will be a moment of validation, healing, and a new beginning, rooted in authenticity and surrender. Prepare your heart to receive, to embrace the fullness that the universe has prepared for you. There's no more need to search, to question, or to doubt. The promise has been fulfilled, and the love that you've always known existed is manifesting in your reality. Trust in the magic of destiny, in the wisdom of divine timing, and in the unbreakable power of love. You are worthy of all the happiness, all the passion, and all the connection that your soul longs for. Heaven rejoices in your journey, and the angels celebrate the reunion that is about to happen.